When I was young, taco salad is one of those dishes that's stuck. Nostalgia has a way of making you think you loved it more than you did. You know what I mean?
Because it tasted a certain way when you were a certain age, and then you got to a certain age and you're like, that's actually not that good, or that's not that special.
I've got ground beef, I've got taco seasoning, and I'm gonna let this cook on like medium-ish heat. I do want to get a little color and texture, but I want to slow down because CJ's over there lollygagging.
I'm cooking chicken.
I'm gonna do a little bit of corn and black beans.
And of course, you can't do this recipe on a traditional grill.
So I'm gonna start with chips down on the bottom and then lettuce. This is gonna kind of block some of the liquid from penetrating too far to the bottom of my bowl. Then beef, and it has to be done this way. Has to be done in a large bowl. Otherwise, it won't taste like Mom's. I'm gonna go with some of my black beans and my corn. All right, now I've got some tomatoes, but the key here is zesty Italian dressing, and lots of it. All the way to the bottom until you hear the crunch. Could you hear the crunch?
I heard the crunch.
Okay, then you bring it up. And that's how you get little bits of everything.
It's great.
Yeah, it's amazing how food memories can literally take you back to a time. That's what food does.